Okay, so this is a motorcycle that I like to make at a birthday party. I make something like this for the birthday boy, normally. If it's a birthday girl, sometimes I make the motorcycle, sometimes, normally I make a large flower. Anyway, this one is made with 350s, 4 350s, these are orange. It's got a black 350 for the front tire, it's got a 16-inch donut for the back tire, and it's got a Vitalitex 428, the spiral for the seat. So anyway, I'll show you how I make this, and I'm going to use different colors so you can kind of see how it all comes together. So, we blow up the first one. I give it pretty much one good breath. It leaves about 2.5 inches uninflated. Then we'll grab another one. Another 350. Once again, blowing up this book all the way. Same 2.5 inches. When I make this, I usually blow up everything I need, hand it to the birthday child, and then I start constructing it after that. But right here, we're going to do it this way. So, we push right through the 16-inch donut and tie the two 350s together, blow up our 16-inch. Here we go. Give that a bit of a spin to help tie. Take our two 350s, give it a bit of a squeeze, spin them together, blow up our third 350. About a 2 to 3 inch bubble. Twist it in at the top and tie it in. And soften these a little bit. Find out approximately how long you want the middle part, which is right here. And we're going to twist those around, and one goes in between. Take our orange one. We're going to make this the same size as these ones right here. So we twist. Then we give it about a 8 to 9 inch bubble. Tie that in. We can soften those a little bit, blow up our front tire. Once again, this is just about the same, the 2.5 inches of uninflated. Put that one down, honey girl. Okay, tie that one to the what will be the front spokes. Twist around, lock it in. Take our orange one, twist, then this would be a big pinch twist, and then a bubble, and another one. Ooh, that's awfully tight. Okay, that does happen sometimes. So then with our handlebars, we blow it up, we find about halfway, we do a pinch twist here, and put that onto here where we've got our bubble, lock the handlebars onto the front, shape, tie this one off, and we'll pull this off, shape there, then we get our Vitalitex 428, blow it up, leaving a little bit uninflated, tie it, put it on where the seat is, then we shape that, with that as you would like it. And there is your motorcycle that is given to the birthday boy. And sometimes a birthday girl. Okay? Oh, this was inspired by Stretch the Balloon Dude. I saw a picture that he posted 2 or 3 years ago on Balloon HQ, and I modified it to the way I like it. Okay? Thank you.